Threw away your love letters. I thought it'd make me feel better. I finally got you out my bed, but I still can't get you out my head. Ooh, I'm seeing you one day at a time. I know you by your phone, so boy.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another wig install video. So today's wig is from MyFirstWig, and this is what the wig packaging looks like. So the wig comes in this pink satin bag. This is their hair flyer with some of their information on it. It also comes with this little bag here that comes with a hair comb, and then it also comes with some hair clips. Pretty much essential products that you're going to need for your wig install. Then of course it comes with this 13x6 Kinky 4-in-1 lace frontal wig. This wig has a pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-cut lace and pre-styled lace frontal wig. So let's go ahead and put the wig on. So this is what the wig looks like, already washed. I did not bleach the knots, of course. So this is what the inside of the wig looks like as well. Again, a 13x6 lace frontal wig. It does come with an elastic band, so if the wig is too big or too small, this is definitely going to help you get the perfect fit. Okay, so now let's check out this 13x6 parting space on this wig. So the 6 inches of parting space is perfect, so it's going to give you more versatility when it comes to the styling on this wig. And by the way, this wig is 16 inches. I don't remember the density on this wig, so check out that description bar to get the density on this wig. But it is very full. But I'm going to show you in this video how to take the fullness down on this wig and get this wig to be on the more silky straight texture. So anyways, let's go ahead and secure this wig. And of course, in this video we're not going to use any glue, baby. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so to start off with doing a glueless wig install, I personally prefer to pull out some hairs around the hairline and then go in with some hairspray. For me personally, it just helps with like avoiding the hairline becoming like super hard and super scrunchy, not scrunchy but crunchy. And then like before I do that, I do take my hot comb very carefully and just like press those baby hairs going like downward away from my face. So today I'm going to be using a new product, which is the Organic Root Stimulator Wig Grip Spray. I have seen this on TikTok, and surprisingly my beauty supply store had it, so I just decided to pick it up. And I said like today was the perfect day to try this product out. So far so good, so I'm just going to apply this all over like I normally would with my Eben spray.
Threw away your love letters. I thought it'd make me feel better. I finally got you out my bed, but I still can't get you out my head. Ooh, I'm seeing you one day at a time. I know you by your phone, so boy pick up your line. I hate to find the bed, so you don't know. Hey, you don't know what love is if you don't put up a.
The kinky texture wig is always a vibe, but it is very full. So this texture hair is going to give like relaxed hair but blown out. It is going to give natural hair but on a blown out texture. It is so beautiful, but it is on the full side. If you want to get this hair to be on the straight side, I highly recommend that you either blow dry this hair first or work in sections when it comes to straightening the hair. So what I'm going to do here is actually straighten the roots on this wig first. I actually got this tip from my hairstylist Marquis. So what he does is he goes in sections and he applies a wax stick following following like spritz, and that actually helps like make sure that the roots is actually flat, so that it gives you like a flat install. So that's all that I'm doing right here. Okay, so once I got the roots of this wig as straight as possible, I'm going to go ahead and move forward with straightening this hair. So I'm going to continue working in sections because that's how you're going to get, you know, the best results. So I'm going to use some hair oil, not a lot, but you know, just a little bit to, you know, get shine with this wig. So I'm going to be using the Cream of Nature hair mist, and I'm going to lightly mist the hair, and again just work in sections. I do have this flat iron on the highest setting, and yeah, so as you can see, the hair definitely straightens pretty good, and it is still going to have like a lot of body and texture to it, but it is going to get straight. Again, I do feel like this wig would have got even more straight if I would have did the blow dryer first before doing the flat iron, but girl, I ain't got time for that. Like, I ain't finna do all that because it's hot in this bathroom, so no.
Through it when you love letters, I thought it make me feel better. I finally got you out my bed, but I still can't get you out my head. Ooh, I'm seeing people one day at a time. I know you by your phone, so boy pick up your line. I ain't too proud to bed, so you don't know. Hey, you don't know what love is if you don't put up a fight. I need you to know I can't get you out of here. You don't know what love is if you don't put up a fight. You don't know what love is. You don't say it.
Okay, and so real quick, I just wanted to show y'all the difference. This is what the hair looks like when it is completely straightened, and this is the other side without any type of heat. So yeah, y'all can see it definitely straightens pretty good, and this is what the hairline looks like after I tied it down. So now what I'm about to do is go in and just clean up the hairline and make it look a little bit more natural. Clean it, you know, just clean it up a little bit and try to get rid of that little white cast that came from the wig grip spray or whatever. So yeah, let's get back into it. Okay, so I definitely had to go in and just clip the ends on this wig just to clean it up a little bit because, yeah, I just wasn't feeling the ends on this wig and it definitely needed it. So now I'm about to go in and just clean the part on this wig. This is like a wig dye spray, so I just take the ends of a comb and just lightly spray the hair, and this just gives like a more clean look on your part. You can definitely get a hair dye marker and do this as well. And I'm just going right back in and just straightening the hair a little bit more, but this is really it, y'all. I just got to do like one or two more little steps and I'm pretty much done with this install.
You don't know what love is if you don't put up a fight. You don't know what love is. You don't say it.
Alright, so this is what the wig wig looks like from the back. Y'all cannot tell me this does not look like this is my hair. Look at this beautiful texture, y'all. This literally looks like my hair has been blown out. So beautiful. But I wanted to do a little bit more to the hairline on this wig, so I decided to go in and do a little bit more plucking on the hairline, and I want y'all to see just how more natural the hairline looked with me just doing a little bit of plucking to the side part on this wig. And then I also decided to do or add one product to the hairline on this wig, and it was the Organic Root Stimulator wig gripping gel or something like that. And only thing it did was it just gave me a little bit more of a hold on this wig, and I also felt like it kind of defined the hairline on this wig as well. So I don't know if it held the wig to my liking, but I'm going to continue to kind of test it out or whatever. But I did add that to the wig. So y'all, this wig is beautiful, and it is so natural looking. Like, this does not look like I am wearing a wig. From how this wig looked at the beginning to how it looks now is insane. I would have never known this was a wig if I did not install this wig myself. This is crazy. Y'all, my first wig has been cutting up. Do you hear me? Cutting up. I need y'all to check them out, and I need y'all to use the coupon code below in this description bar and get this wig. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. This texture right here is going to always do its big one. I promise you that. This 4-in-1, ready to go, pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-plucked, no skills needed, lace frontal wig is what you need in your life. I promise you that. Everything you need is below in the description bar. Thank you for watching. See y'all in the next video. Bye. Mwah.